Tell her.
Elle, let's practice our animal sounds. Horse. Cow. Pig. Dog. Dog. Cat. Horse. Cow. Pig. Cat. Dog.
Woof, woof, woof. Puppy dog says woof, woof, woof.
Ducky. Ducky.
Ducky says quack, 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 quack.
What about pig? What about horse? Horse.
There's a horsey. Horsey.
What about cow? What does a horse say? What does a horse say? Cow. What does a cow say? What does a pig say? What does a cat say? Ow.
Okay, Elle, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye. Say bye, Mom. Love you.
Elle.
Love you, Mom. Say bye-bye.
Elle. Wait, bye-bye?
Say bye-bye.
Bye. See you later. Bye-bye. Bye.